Have you ever heard the term self-mastery and wondered what it means? Self-mastery is about your ability to control and manage your thoughts, emotions, and actions by learning everything there is to know about yourself to achieve personal goals and create a fulfilling life. So self-mastery is an ongoing process and never stops because you are continuously changing. It means identifying things that make you happy, sad, angry, and overcoming personal weaknesses and limiting beliefs. By identifying your triggers and responses to external cues, you can teach your brain to change the relationship with them or to navigate around them to create new positive habits and behaviors that lead to success and personal growth. And this is an ongoing process that requires continuous self-reflection and self-improvement. It's an ongoing recalibration of your mind to create new programs consciously and new neural pathways which will terminate old habitual thinking and programs that just don't serve you. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes because you can start again. But by catching yourself doing something you don't want for yourself, you become more aware of your triggers and habits, and this helps you learn to be more aware each time you come into the same situation. And this continuous practice until it is no longer a sequence that your brain runs, eventually has all those filter out. By consciously choosing a different option and repeating this, you are self-mastering. And the goal is to get you to know yourself so well that you can, in each and every moment, check in with your mind and your body, the feeling, to decide what is best for you in every single moment. Namaste.